Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you a few things you can do if your Amazon Fire Stick isn't working. Mine is working, but in case yours is not working, here are some things you can try. First, I would generally recommend that one of the biggest reasons why your Fire Stick isn't working is your power source or your connection via the HDMI port at the back of your TV. So typically you just come to your power source and basically ensure that it is well connected. So if it is not well connected, your Fire Stick might not be working. If that is working just fine, then at the back here you see the HDMI connection. So typically I will take it out and insert it back if it's well inserted, and then make sure that it is well inserted at the back of the TV. Another thing I would recommend that you try out could be your remote. So if your remote isn't able to power on your Fire Stick, typically you should be able to turn it on and off. But if probably that is not working, it could be because of your remote. Maybe something is interfering with it, something is blocking the remote, and that could be a reason. But generally, when you turn off the power outlet and turn it back on, it should typically bring your Fire TV stick and get it to start working. If, like mine, your Fire TV stick is working but you feel it is not working the way it is supposed to work, then a factory reset or a restart of the Fire Stick could be all that you need. So all you just need to do is to come to the last icon on the right there, the one in blue. You scroll down to My TV, you select that, and then you have some options here. You have the restart option and you have the reset to default, to factory default. So any one of these two could just fix the issue for you. So first, I would recommend that you restart your Fire Stick, and after restarting it, if that doesn't work, I would recommend that you reset to factory default. This should surely help your Fire TV to start working. If not, then it could be an hardware issue. So I would recommend that you should check the sockets. So probably change the USB connection, maybe use your phone charger and then connect the USB cord from the Fire Stick to your phone charger and see if that works. If that does not work, then probably the Fire TV stick itself could be the one at fault. But typically, most of these software fixes that I recommend should be able to fix and have your Fire TV working in no time.